Country lifestyle. Country life is so nice. Man at work, men at work, my viewers. See pouring some more concrete there. This is country life. You see all them people abroad, I know, sometimes watching all these simple little videos, it reminds you of home, of yard, Jamaican, because Jamaican, as much as them in America or Canada or UK, most of them still love them country. But because of economic situation, that is the reason why a lot of Jamaicans migrate, because it's hard to get good paying jobs in Jamaica. And some of them wanted better like healthcare too, like the hospital stuff. So they rather to just stay abroad to get good healthcare, good schooling, But most of them mind is still at yard or Jamaica. So when they are watching all these little videos like man like Slapping Joe, I know, Jamaica is on his mind. Even Rockport TV, you have subscribed this week. I know he's in Canada up there. Big up yourself, my brother. Shiggy got me down a month ago, your cane growing good. I go and look at the sugar cane that I have planted for you. I soon do a next video and show you your cane. You know what's growing. We don't know where it go, man. Yard. Let me show you banana, right? Banana too. Look there. Cause right there. Look, the thing about yard, my viewers. Look. See? Natural, self-ripe, see there? Sometimes you can just pick a banana, not like the one them in the store, in the supermarket, them abroad. These are fresh, natural, organic, self-ripe banana. So the thing set, the beautiful thing. You can just plant all a banana, so I chew it down in Jamaica country, rural side, and then you get banana from it. Let me show you now. See, I'm gonna name a banana now. In Jamaica, we say nyam, because we speak patois in Jamaica. In the English, they might say eat. the Englishman might say eat. But we say, look, we're going to name a banana, look. So cool, nyam banana, you can't. Man, Richie name about 2 dozen bananas already, so I don't think Richie gonna eat it right now. Because while he's working, he ain't eat, but when he's taking a break, we just eat I can drink up some you call it again, energy drink. He like a lot of energy drink. Yeah, and cook up some nice dumpling. Some Jamaican call it kegs also. Remember that name, cook dumpling, kegs. Yeah, the most dumpling name in Jamaica, I think. They would have fried dumpling, roast dumpling, cooked dumpling, baked dumpling. They make a thing even called fritters. Enough Jamaicans know about the fritters, Some of them might even fry it abroad too. We have to get joke while we are working on my viewers. Entertainment. I must say, my viewers, I have to tell you thanks to watch. You can leave a comment. This is our next section of my building my outdoor kitchen wall. So you can leave a comment, my viewers, And welcome if you are new first time viewers. I'm still welcome original viewers. So I must say one love from culture, country lifestyle in Jamaica. Big up every viewer worldwide.